I have been getting this from many people.
Sabenji, I beg na how you dey do for hashtag all people that when say a group. I don't try to any go. Hello, Mr. Benji. I beg na how you dey do for hashtag all people that when say a group.
So after listening to this, there are a lot of people that will want me to create. There are a lot of people who have been asking me how do I go about tagging everybody in the group. I'm sorry, your phone might not be accepting it, or maybe the option has not been rolled out to you. I am a beta tester, WhatsApp beta tester. That's to say, everything that drops on WhatsApp, I use it first before every other person. Some people, I might use it like 3 months or before it gets out to some people, and some people, they drops out to their regions and to different. Your phone matters also. For me, I'm using Tecno Camon 40, and I'm going to be talking more about Tecno Camon 40 so that you can learn. A lot of people have been asking me this question, and I'm going to teach you how it goes. But then, if it doesn't work with you, you have to wait for some time, and also always remember to update your WhatsApp. In every time you want to test any of these options, it might work for you, or it will come later. So this is how you can tag everybody in your WhatsApp group. All right.
Like when you tag, I can tag everybody in this group. You can see from this message that I can tag everybody. Like, please let all in the group take this group serious. This all now has tagged everybody in the group, and sometimes you ask questions of how this is done. All right. Okay, so simply when you come to WhatsApp, if it's not working for you, please update your WhatsApp, and if it still doesn't work, you can drop in the comment section that it didn't work for you, and you tell me what you did in the comment section. Explain yourself if you tried and it did not work. So for me to tag everybody here, I can just say I hold this R sign. You can see that it automatically shows here. All, mention all members in this chat. When I click here now, anything I write, it's going to tag everybody in the group. We keep learning here every day, because that's what the group is all about. Now you see, it automatically will tag everybody in the group. But if you try and it doesn't work, let me know in the comment section so that I'll explain what to do. Sometimes your phone is the problem, and also sometimes it's because you are using an unupdated WhatsApp. So update your WhatsApp. And some people, it will delay to come because, as I said, I am a beta tester. I use all updates on WhatsApp before it goes out to everybody. And I always remind you that we have 5,000 contacts that have access to beta WhatsApp, and it is from Meta, it is from WhatsApp itself. It's not a false WhatsApp. So that's why I wanted you to know. And if it doesn't work for you, drop in the comment section. I'll be telling you what to do. See you in my next video.